Money Academy.
Have you ever wondered if you can earn free money? The answer is yes, you can, and the best part is you can do it without any effort, without any experience, and without much time spent. We're going to show you today how you can earn free money by just reading for an hour. In fact, you can earn between $150 to $1,500. Yeah, you heard that right. You don't need any technical skills or any prior experience. Even an absolute beginner can benefit from my unique methods. Stay to the end of the video because I'll show you how. Research says that there are 2,700 books published on a daily basis. That's why book reviewers are always in demand. If you love to read, why not get paid for it? The internet has immense opportunities to earn money. All you have to do is look for opportunities in different fields of interest. If you love reading books or have a good voice where you can record your audio, then you can make it a side hustle and earn money. There are legit websites where you can earn money as a reader by writing book reviews and recording audiobooks. One thing to remember, it will make you productive and intellectually strong because you'll be reading books of your interest from different authors. Here are the 6 best websites. Number 1, Booklist. Booklist reviews 7,500 titles every year, and their audiences are librarians, booksellers, and educators. Their main aim is to attract librarians by suggesting the best book so they can purchase it as soon as it becomes available in the market. They focus on genres like adult books, books for youth, and graphic novels. All you have to do is write a very short review of 150 to 175 words for them. But before applying, make sure you go to their website and check their requirements. Number 2, ACX. ACX is the platform where you can record a book and get paid for it. The books consist of different types of genres which are sold on Audible, Amazon, and iTunes. All you have to do is create your profile, upload a few samples, and give an audition for the book that you're interested in narrating. For that, you have to record the manuscript in a few minutes. If your voice gets approved, you'll get an offer and you can start recording the book and earn money. An experienced narrator makes $150 to $250 per finished hour. Or you can opt for royalty share. This means whenever the book is purchased, you get 50% of it. Number 3. The U.S. Review of Books. Freelancers can review books for the U.S. Review of Books and earn money. All you have to do is send your resume, sample work, and at least 2 professional preferences on the following email. After your application gets accepted, you can write paid reviews based on the request of books that you need to review. You have to write 250 to 300 word reviews and need to submit them in 2 to 3 weeks. In that, you can add quotes from the book, descriptions of the author, and the gist of the book. Number 4, Online Book Club. Online Book Club is a transparent website. It's not a one-way lucky stream of income. It has its fair price disclosed. For the first review of the book, he'll just provide a book for free. From the second review, you will officially be eligible for the paid review, and as well as you will get the book for free. All they want is an honest review of the book. As they say, they pay our narrators for the fair and smart review and not for a positive review. Number 5, Voices. Voices have narrators from 160 countries and work with 221 different languages. They operate with the biggest brands like Microsoft, Shopify, Cisco, Discovery, etc. On Voices, you can browse freelancing voice skills for audiobooks, podcasting, documentaries, voice assistant, etc. For becoming a narrator for an audiobook, you have to sign up by setting up your profile and upload good audio samples. After that, you can start auditioning for different available jobs. Number 6, Kirkus. Kirkus Review is an American magazine that reviews more than 10,000 titles every year. They're mostly looking for English and Spanish good book reviews. They accept reviews of any book length for all types of genres. The book can be in digital or paperback form. All you have to do is write a 350-word review in 2 weeks after a book is allotted. That's it for today. If you like this video, do watch our next video about making easy money online. Thanks, and I'll see you in the next one.